48 years of admirable experience. IATF 16949/2016 certified company. Approved by NSIC, DNB. DUNS No. 675724983. Take pride of quality, time delivery. Work with ardor. V equals strength. Tailored course of action to do good to customers. We can provide third-party inspection report if needed. We are one of the well-renowned business unit engaged in manufacturing and supplying high-quality, precision-machined metal parts, manufactured using quality-tested raw material, known for a robustness and high potency. High-quality customized precision-turned parts with immense exactitude can be made very effectively by our machines in various metals. We are expanding our export capacity and constantly upgrading ourselves with the latest technology. We make the components with accuracy of as low as 10 microns. Type of machines as following: imported machine 4 nose. TSUGMI made BOR205 III Max. Machining DO 20 mm. Total number of tools 21. Main spindle speed 200 to 10,000 minutes. 1 rapid travers. Rate 32 meters per minute x 124 meter per minute. 1 nose. TSUGMI made BO 325 2 Max. Machining DO 32 mm. Total number of tools 27. Main spindle speed 200 to 8,000 minutes. 1 rapid travers. Rate 32 meters per minute x 124 meter per minute. Indian made machine. Automatic turning machine 68. Manual turning machine 27. Auto, manual threading and milling machine 27. Drilling machine 17. Hand presses 09. Wire straightening machine 03. Tool grinders 06. Lathe 162 mm 01. Sliding head stock machine 11. CNC turning machines 200x 500 18. CNC turn mill 200 by 500 02. VMC machine 04. Tapper machine 01. Punching machine 05. Slot machine 14. Vibrator slot 01. Ultrasonic cleaning machine and centerless grinding machine. We heat quality and design and develop the precision machine parts as per customer's motif. We provide the necessary training to analyze right from the processing till dispatch of goods to all personnel who work in our factory. We do undertake in process and inter-process inspections. We care for the equipment's calibration and their safeguarding. We persist regular records of quality standards, i.e., 100% visual inspection to ensure 100% defect-free products. We carry inventory of materials to meet vital deliveries. We are having advanced technology of checking instruments and pick up this method over a period of time with latest technologies. Micrometer, blade, digital, vernier, dial, digital, gauges, plug, ring, radius, pitch, pin, snap, dial, flare, air, profile, projector, zip-code, vision measuring system, testers, hardness, roughness, plating. Our expert engineers are responsive for continuous improvement of different products, and they are liable to keep the allied documents and also for accumulating the master samples of all such products. As such, our engineers redesign Petron's products to make them more cost-effective with their significant engineering techniques. Design aid software, AutoCAD 3D, documentation, PPAP Level 3. We have valuable, uncomplicated and transparent price structure. We provide hasty replies to all inquiries. Our prices are very much competitive and cogent. We do quote peculiar price for enduring packed or mass manufacturing. We face that this is the right time to convert the opportunity into various business action by sharing our culture, ideas and techniques, and joining free hands towards growth, success and innovation of new techniques. We also welcome all business proposals all around the world for globe collaborations, joint ventures, subsidiary companies, firms, etc. Our desire is customers' utmost satisfaction in the business phase. Our mission is to reach at the top, become the world's largest metal part manufacturing company, benchmarking value creation through the excellence of its people, its innovative approach and overall conduct. Underpinning this dream is the implementation of dignity, committed to pursue targets, safety and social responsibility, continuous enrichment, sincerity and candor.